Easy DML with composite type. Let's create a table first. If I execute this one, here we can see the table created successfully. So if I check the data from this table and after executing this line, we see we don't have enough record to this table. Let's insert some value to this table. Here we can see the declaration section. This is employee table and its row type REMP. And inside the begin and end block, we can see the select statement from employee table where ID equal 100 and the selected columns populated to REMP, and the REMP we will use this to insert the newly created table. So here line number 15, here we can see the insert statement and the data will be populated from REMP, which is here. So if I execute this line, here we can see the anonymous block completed. So if I check the data, how do we update records? By using row type. Let's see an example. So here we can see the REMP and its salary is modified by this one, and this is the commission percentage is updated by 0.3. And after the line number 18, here we can see the state update statement and our value updated by REMP object, and the whole object will be updated by using this row type to row for a table rate employees. And here we see the where clause. So if we execute this one, anonymous block completed, and after then if we check the data, here we can see the salary is updated and commission percentage is also updated. Now we will see how to we delete record by using row type. Let's see. Here we can see the delete statement. After inside the where clause, we can see the employee ID is compared with REMP employee ID, which we will find from this select statement here. So if I execute this one, here we can see the anonymous block completed, and let's see the record from this table. Here we can see no records found from this table. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Keep watching the next tutorial. Thanks.